ati ndacyari namba uno. Iya ni Rocky nk'ibisanzwe cyumva ijwi ukamenya ko filime yahuye na Rocky agahuye n'umunyutsi. Bimeze bite? Cyangwa se igihe rigihuye n'umushimyi. Cyakora ndatwika. Bimeze bite nyuma ya Platina kubwira ati attention. Bimeze bite? Kabagereho mwese. Uretse uzureba ukuntu igihe rigihura n'umushimyi. Mbiseguraho bantu tugiye kureba ino episode ya 4. Nako ndabibabwira filime nitangira. Okay. Skill. Ariko Platina arategura ko kuzikakabya we. Ngo adakabya. Okay. Kabagereho mwese. Element mambo vipi? Skill. Yeah. Urumva umutegura ariko.
Mfite dayimoni wo gukunda bikabije.
Kabagereho.
Iyo mpaye urukundo njye mpita mwizirikaho. Nakugigira ukanyino ugakeka ko ndi umusazi. Nakugigira ukanyino
akakugigira papa gigi abari kugigira ehehe.
Chunga san bebe ntucokoze njye ndi bad mind no munzozi nagutera.
Chunga
san bebe ntucokoze njye ndi bad mind no munzozi nagutera. Girl, I'm addicted to you. Uwambanye drug share. Girl, I'm addicted to you. Uwambanye drug share. Attention, 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 faites attention. Attention, 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 faites attention. Attention, 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 faites attention. Attention, 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 faites attention.
Baby, put attention. You're the bad boy, baby, put attention.
Oh, ya nunca cosé.
We can put attention. You're the bad boy, baby, put attention.
Nunca cosé.
Baby, put attention. You're the bad boy, baby, put attention.
Oh, ya nunca cosé.
We can put attention. You're the bad boy, baby, put attention.
Agatima kanje ningatona karinze ngundo z'Ikigali zo kubeshya. Uramutse unyihaye n'imikino bimenye ni rugi na pato. Nje ndi mubaya nagukora mu bwonko. Baby ni hatari ufate nk'imari. Chunga san bebe ntucokoze njye ndi bad mind no munzozi nagutera. Chunga san bebe ntucokoze njye ndi bad mind no munzozi nagutera. Girl, I'm addicted to you. Uwambanye drug share. Girl, I'm addicted to you. Uwambanye drug. Attention.
Baby, put attention. You're the bad boy, baby, put attention.
Oh, ya nunca cosé.
We can put attention. You're the bad boy, baby, put attention.
Nunca cosé.
Baby, put attention. You're the bad boy, baby, put attention.
Oh, ya nunca cosé.
We can put attention. You're the bad boy, baby, put attention.
Girl, I'm addicted to you. Uwambanye drug share. Girl, I'm addicted to you. Uwambanye drug share. Don't just tell me.
Aya basi P yababwiraga ngo attention.
Ntanzu
Iya ntarange ryiza.
nabirahuri byiza bikomeye ntanzu mbona. Noneho reka nkumenera ibanga. Crevo General Trading Limited ijari igisubizo kubashaka amarangi meza ya original n'ibirahuri byiza kandi bikomeye. Abashoramari mu by'ubwubatsi bigo bitandukanye bacuruzi baza kenkayori abiyubakira amazu yabo bashaka ko aba meza kandi akomeye ni mugane Crevo General Trading Limited. Turanguza tukanacuruza ibirahuri by'amoko yose, turanguza tukanacuruza amarangi yose ndetse tukanakuvangira ibara ryose wifuza dukoresheje imashini zabugenewe n'abatekinisiye kabuhariwe. Akarusho nuko uhaye iwacu muri Crevo General Trading Limited tumusangisha ibikoresho yaguze aho ariho hose ku buntu. Dukorera Kicukiro Centre imbere ya Glory. Duhamagare kuri 0788 600 946. Crevo General Trading Limited, twubaka igihugu gikeye kandi gikomeye.
Aya basi bimeze bite mbere ko tureba iyi episode ya kane bantu bangereka manze basobanurire. Buriya mu Rwanda dufite ubuyobozi bwiza, dufite ibintu bagiye bakoro byari bibangamiye igihugu, murabizi namwe byagiye biteza nibazo byinshi, ari byo nko guhagarika ibintu byo guhamagara ngamoko ngibiki nibiki. Ibyo bintu ntago bikibaho. Ariyo mpamvu iyi filime tugiye kureba abanyamerika ibyo bintu barabikoresheje bakina ibintu byo mu Rwanda, ariko ubwo turaza kugenda nyine tubireba. Hari igihe batazi n'ibyabaye bano baginga. Sitwabaye umuntu umwe abanyarwanda rero amoko ari buvugirwemo hano mu byumve nk'ari filime nyine bakinnye bashaka kuvuga ibintu byabo, nimugire ikindi mutindaho. Reka twirebere filime yacu tunashimira ubuyobozi bwacu ko ibyo bintu bwabiciye. Ubwo sineguye none reka turebe filime yacu. Ahiye koko bimeze bite? Iyi ni episode ya kangahe? Ni ya kane bakise iringi.
The security of the nation.
Umutekano w'igihugu
the men and women who serve
ushingiye ku bagore n'abagabo
the Pentagon.
Bakorera mu nkingi 5 za Pentagon. Urabona Pentagon, urabona ino nyubako yabo ukuntu igize, ikozwemo n'intuzi 5 manuka hepfo ingune 5 nyine. Ati ziriya ringi 5 zigize Pentagon abagore n'abagabo bayikoramo, niwo umutekano w'igihugu ushingiyeho.
Before any military action can be taken anywhere in the world,
ati mbere ko gihe gikorwa cya gisirikare gikorwa hari hose ku isi,
the mission must be planned and approved in the outer and most important ring.
Ati misiyo igomba kubanza igategurwa kandi ikanemerezwa hehe? Mu gice cy'ingenzi mu yigize Pentagon,
The E-ring.
E-ring. Umve nuko dutangiye.
There you go, honey.
Akira hani nakana. We beze bite? Ni papa nakana na mama.
Good day, dear.
Gira umunsi mwiza dia. Turi hehe? Ndagira gukurikira filime. Irya mwana wanje. Filime tuyitangiriye hehe rero? Ndagira gukurikira filime witonze. Mugabo byarabyutse mu gitondo yerekeze mu kazi. Mugabo yaje hano basaya mu gitondo. Agace turimo je nago nkazi. Turi Burundi muri Afrika mayiro 200 uvuye mu majyepfo y'u Rwanda. Uvuye mu majyepfo y'u Rwanda niho turi Burundi. Mama we mubonye u Rwanda uretse uzurebe ngo harashya. Gusa mbabwira iyi filime yakinwe kera ndetse biri buvugirwemo agari nako ndaza kubabwira. Umugabo ari kumanuka harabo yagonze turi Burundi. Mbare bavandimwe babare na Barundi bakura y'imbunda. Gwe tuge imbunda. Ndakwingize muvandimwe. Ndagusabye n'ukuri. Ndishura ibyo nangisha. Tugende mwana arabagonze. Gwa mukinga wico. Ikimodoka cikoreye ibintu. Na Barundi tuza Barundi bari Burundi mudukurikiye nonaha. Cyane aho mfite amashami aho harimo Kanyosha, hari imbere y'Inter Bank mafite ishami. Mu bikarito bataye bagize gutya hari icyo bibagiye gutwara. Arabagonze hari igikarito kimwe gitakaye. Turi Burundi. Ahandi mfite ishami Burundi ni Ngozi mu isoko kuri rya Ngozi. Umuryango wa 8 abantu bari Ngozi ndabasuhuje. Umugabo yarebye abanagonze hari kimwe mu gikarito bari batwaye mu modoka gitakaye hano. Icyo gikarito kirimo iki? Uretse uzurengo filime iraryoha. Kureba mu bikarito biri hano babona hatarimo zahabu, nkaba ntsindiye imari, harimo imipanga. Agonze imodoka y'abantu bikoreye imipanga. Iyi mipanga bayijyanye hehe? Tugana kuri ambasade y'u Burundi Bujumbura. Hari telefone bakiriye. Bamaze kwakira telefone yese yandika message ahita yohereza ubutumwa muri ambasade y'Amerika iri Bujumbura. BJ ku kiyeri cyabo turabafana. Niki message yisiza hehe? Hakunino. Message yakiriye ninde? Message ivuye kuri ambasade y'Amerika iri Burundi. Pius.
Where are my numbers on the intel contingent?
Becha ndufite agaciro.
Getting the bureaucratic runaround on that, sir.
Well, that happens from time to time when you're working for the Joint Chiefs of Staff. But you know, you
adapt.
Yes, sir.
sasa ingwere kubasomera bakeneye budget baragira ngo nyine bije yabo bakoresha barebe ukuntu yagarukamo
Plausible case.
iki ni cyumweru cyo kubanza gutanga raporo ya bije ya mbere ko bayikoresheje kugira ngo duhabwe indi bije ni bije ya Pentagon nibyo barimo.
Where are we on Pakistan, Colonel?
Well, you know how tricky it is putting boots on the ground of a...
muri Pakistan byifashe gute gahunda yaho nyine ubwo ni budget bagomba gupanga ibizigomba bije bazakoresha muri Pakistan abasirikare ba Amerika bose bari.
There are some thorny legal issues, sir. I'm going to try to push that through the General Counsel's office.
Don't try, Major. Do. The fiscal health of this office depends on it.
Sir.
umva ubuzima bwiza n'imibereho myiza y'abasirikare bacu bari hose bishingiye ku buryo twateguyemo iyo ngingo y'imari hano uburyo bayihawemo.
All due respect.
ntago njya nkunda abantu batangiza ijambo ngo mu byubahiro byawe ugiye kumbeshya umuntu atangira ngo mu byubahiro byawe ngo nkwe atayo magambo ntago njya nyemera akurikiraho.
Stick around, Colonel.
abirukana
A good operative in the field is one thing. But if Tisnewski cannot maneuver past the political landmine...
uyu mukinga kubera umuhatari ku kibuga no kubera umuhatari hano ntabwo bisobanuye ko agomba kwitwara uko yiboneye.
Understand the sport yet?
He moves...
ntago arabasha gusobanukirwa gahunda yose tugenderaho hano ukuntu imeze.
Giving him
umusore ni mushya.
crash course, sir.
Well, speed it up.
Yes, sir.
katorori ubyihutishe turi hano.
Hate to throw you from the frying pan into the fire, but
Not give...
sasa ingoyo
Now, Pierre.
hari byarazanye oye ibyo bintu buretse kubimpa bampaye akazi ko gukurikirana bije
We've got seals...
kimeze musasu yarazanye ya gahunda igaragaza ko i Burundi hari imipanga myinshi bahabonye. birashoboka ko i Burundi habagiye kuba genocide uyikanzemo yarebye muri raporo
Machetes.
bakoresheje imipanga
that a Hutu put a gun to his head made an ethnic slur.
yagonze imodoka
Yes, your sources are too...
ngo y'abantu bari bafite ngo imipanga b'abarundi.
He lost 2 daughters back in 1994, didn't want to sit back.
bimeze kimwe nk'ibyabaye mu Rwanda mu 1994.
Past performance predicts future behavior.
uwo mugabo wanditse wamagaye kuri ambasade bakohereza urwandiko
Machetes and ended 100 days later with 800,000 Tutsis butchered.
ati iyo mipanga uri kuvuga ngo nta kintu yakora ntabwo yakora genocide ngo mu Rwanda niyo yakoze genocide abasaga 800,000 barapfa. ariko bano abanyamerika nakubwiye ngo ntabwo baba babizi twe kuko tuzi ko barenga ahubwo miliyoni.
Look, Sergeant, I'd like to help you. I really would, but...
ngo ni ubwoko bw'abahutu n'ubw'abatutsi i Burundi ndakeka ko bashobora kongera kuba genocide.
Fiscal health of this office.
Sir, would you be talking about the fiscal health of this office if these people were white?
atese ko tubabwira ngo bagiye kuba genocide ukavuga ngo mugiye gukurikirana bije ya Pentagon bano bantu bagiye gukorera na genocide hagati yabo iyo baba ari abazungu mwari guceceka mukicara gutya kugira ngo ukurikire filime. umukobwa nibyo ari kubabwira bari kubabwira ati ashobora kuba genocide Burundi abandi ngo twifitiye ngo bije ngo kureba ukuntu ngo twakoramo abasirikare bacu mbega ntabwo babyitayeho. ubundi ibindi birego byose byakiraga no babikoraga bihuse ariko duri kirego cy'i Burundi abaginga amenye batanadukunda rega. niyo mpamvu mukwiye kuba umuntu umwe ubundi muba mupfa ibiki ibintu by'amoko muba mupfa n'ibiki urabona babitayeho mwabaye umuntu umwe nk'uko bahora babibabwira tukirira umufungo tugasaza Afurika agahira rimwe. nuko dutangiye episode ya 4 bimeze bite rero. ibyo bintu biraza kugenda bigarukamo kenshi by'amoko abahutu abatutsi ibyo twe twarabirenze twabiciye amazi nta nubwo bikidufasheho ubwo nyine turabisobanura uko biri twimanukira twabaye umuntu umwe noneho. okay dushimira n'ubuyobozi bwacu bwabigizemo uruhare ubwo noneho nasobanura sibyo biga mwarajijutse barakwereka hano ku kazi hahiye bimereye neza bari guserebura kandi bakiriye ikirego ko i Burundi yashobora kuba genocide. mwana ibintu uraza kubikunda mwana tureke no kureba match rebe abagabo wagira ngo nta kibazo cyabaye kwisereburira.
E-money. Now, Gaza's under a lot of political pressure to get special ops as much love as possible. I get it, sir.
No cash, no mission, son.
nabonye General Arigazi rwose afite pressure nyinshi yo kugira ngo iyi budget ishyirwe mu bikorwa.
Sunday?
bivuze ngo nta mafaranga nta mission ubundi yaba.
Done telling you. The only thing you should be worrying about is making sure Al-Ghazi feels that.
atese pasi igeza kubwira ibishaka kwa byabera i Burundi uyu akabwira ati ibyo ngibyo ubiretse banza ukemura ikibazo cya General Arigazi.
If it's going to get funded. So break out that Polish charm, you know? Keep your eye on the ball. Make it happen.
wumve bibere kuri gahunda zabo ntago bitaye kuri ibyo bintu by'i Burundi ngo genocide ishobora kubayo kumbe turi Burundi hari wazanye umupanga bada dore umupanga uyu mugabo ngo yabaye no mu Rwanda ngo yahaburiye abana be 294
The Machetes.
ntago tubizi neza.
I promise you we'll leave here tomorrow.
I can't go through it again.
ndagusezeranyije tuzavana duhunge.
The Americans will.
bino sinakongera kubicamo. abanyamerika bari buze kuza. ubushize se bigeze badutabara bano babaga mu Rwanda. umugore avuga ati abanyamerika wizeye wahamagaye n'ubushize ntibigeze badutabara. aravuga ubwo babaga mu Rwanda n'umugabo ngo yabaga mu Rwanda.
Tell me it was burned.
dore abanyamerika ari kuvuga ngo bari buze kubatabara yewe dore ibyo bibereyemo.
Tell me when I.
bibereye mu bibazo byabo. wowe urumva ko abantu bazaza kwita ku bibazo byawe. bose ibyabo babirangije. bifite ibibazo byabo nabo.
Close enough to.
dore amatike yo kujya kureba match. muzehe wakitaye ku bibazo bimuzaniye amatike. none se kimenya ari bo bari mwizamuye. ibyo bibazo bibereyemo.
I mean, whatever it is, I'm sure it's more important than helping your commanding officer sort through classified documents.
hano bari kureba amadokima amwe n'amwe atagifite akamaro bakaba bajya kuyatwika n'ibipapuro bidafite agaciro. mbega ni umunsi bafata wo kuruhuka muri ofisi bakareba amadosiye asa nk'ayarangiye ibirego byarangiye. mbega ni umunsi wo gusa nk'abakora isuku muri biro bawubara nk'ikiruhuko ubundi bakajya kureba mace. abanywa byeri bakazinywa abanywa urwunge bakarunywa abanywa mburwa bakayinywa.
On this Pakistan action, and since Al Ghazi likes you, I figured.
Major, you obviously didn't know
umva Legacy yambwiye ngo nsinyire hakurino.
people that were here before you.
I did. They just have more patience than I do.
Sanan
Terrorists don't give a damn that it's budget review week, Sam.
undi nawe arinjira.
Does anyone knock?
I bought you a square in the Army-Navy football pool. If Navy wins 3...
umva uyu munsi muribuka ko turi buze kujya kureba football ariko n'abasirikare bakeneye ngo ni Army ni igisirikare gisanzwe n'abarwanira ku mazi.
His new aide.
Yes, sir.
bayita Aaron JT.
That man. You need anything, let me help you.
I'll take.
icyo uzakera uzambwire ngo ufashe.
Good deal.
sawa uje yitwa JT.
Why does charm work for that guy and not for me?
Who says it works for either of you?
uriya musore ariko kuki ubona ari bogari njye n'ubone ndi bogari n'utugamba.
Thin ice, Major. Ashley?
So who was that?
Deputy Assistant Secretary of Defense.
ikibazo cy'i Burundi ntabwo bakizi nta n'ukitayo.
Guy, where did they come up with these titles?
Well, his title could be Commander-in-Chief down the road. Rumor has it he's gunning for an Ohio congressional seat in 08.
tugomba kubanza tugahamagara Commander-in-Chief nawe akabanza akanyuzamo amaso muri ya dosiye. mbega bari kuri gahunda yo kureba ukuntu bije izakora umwaka utaha byifashe iyo bazakenera iya mbere bakayijistifia uko yakoreshejwe. hakunino ntaruwaje bose biri mu byabo.
Captain Banks.
uyari hano yabonye Captain Banks
At the Africa desk in J2 Intelligence, don't you, ma'am?
agezeho gukora ku birego byerekeranye na Afurika yego.
Here's J3.
wabonye J2 Intelligence amakuru batanze.
I was wondering if you picked up any intel out of Burundi.
wumvisha amakuru yerekeranye n'ibiri kubera i Burundi ko hashobora kuba jenoside.
Wondering when somebody was going to ask about Burundi.
nibazaga igihe hari bugira umuntu mbaza kubw'iyo mipanga babonye i Burundi. nabonaga mwese mutabye dore Burundi dore Burundi hahiye nataka nyinyi nabashi Burundi i Burundi.
Take this idiot. Find the plate and the Tutsi who has it, and bring them both back here.
Sasu yaravuze ati ndashaka igikarito cyuzuye imipanga yanjye nabuze. niyo mpamvu arasha umuntu. bari abagabo nibo biri inyuma. hari igikarito ashaka cyuzuye imipanga. mugende mugishake mu kiboni. yeah. uyu ari mu kabari.
I suffer from amnesia. Do I come here?
bite Shushu B. Shushu B ari hano ni wa musheri we mwita Angie.
He's down in Kabul.
Yeah.
Sorry I'm late.
You're forgiven, I guess.
Well, you look like you need a drink.
Hey, I had a drink about a half hour ago.
And you look like I need a drink.
ati nubwo uvuga ngo wanyweye ndabona ahubwo umeze nk'amuntu uvuga ko akeneye icyo kunywa. inyotira gusa.
Sure date here.
Well, let me see. I got chewed out by the Assistant Secretary of Defense for Special Ops, stonewalled by the General Counsel's Office, accused of racism by my NCO.
yatangiye kumuganiriza ibyiriwe ku kazi. ni umunsi yabari mu bintu byenda kumera nk'ari amasuku amadosiye amwe asohorwa. ari nako bategura bije y'umwaka utambege umwaka umenya ubushize. yifatira icupa ry'urwunge.
What's wrong?
ni ikibazo cy'Ishushu B.
Did a station cable from Burundi come into the CIA today?
ese na makuru ari kubera i Burundi muri CIA mwakiriye umugore akora muri CIA? sinzi.
I'm sorry, Ange. I gotta go back to work.
urabizi mbare ko mfite gusubira ku kazi. nimba CIA itari kwita ku bibazo by'i Burundi ngerekanye kubyitaho. uyu musore ntajya atinda mu kabari. azika afite akazi azika abantu bashobora gupfa arahunga ari mu mayoga yarumvisha ati nimba siye ikirego cy'i Burundi itagifite wenda gutimbura nukora kuri sheri wanjye kitagicaho no muntu Katururi umusore isagaruka mu kazi hakuno hari utaryana Pius
I don't suppose you found anything new on Burundi.
bivuze ngo uracyari guperereza ku byerekeranye n'ibiri kubera i Burundi umve
They call him Papa. General Stephen Ndeke killed
wabwita Stephen Ndeke cyasendekezi ati mu Rwanda yishe abatutsi basaga ibihumbi akoresheje imipanga ahungira muri Kongo.
Nice to see him take an interest in
people. Anibwo yaje kwavagaruka i Burundi yongera kugumura abantu ngo bareke ko bakutungira gukora genocide ni Burundi.
They've taken refuge in Burundi and they're fanatically.
Izi ni impunzi ziburi Burundi.
Now why hasn't the Burundian army just gone in and grabbed them?
None se abasirikare b'Burundi bari kubikora hiki?
Armed and ruthless. It's all very tribal, Major, going back 600 years, but
ahari no kubera zino nyeshyamba zifite intwaro ziyambaye cyane.
The Belgians felt the Tutsis were
ati byose byatangiye ubwo ababirigi bakolonizaga u Rwanda mu 1916.
the best everything.
Ati cyo gihe byatangiye ngo abatutsi bakorana bya hafi n'ababirigi babitaho cyane ngo bituma ubundi bwoko bw'abahutu ngo burakara. Ngo yatangiye kubisobanurira nguyu.
Gas chambers just one.
Ariko wabona atari nabyo nago bano baginga ibyo bakinnye muri filime tuba tugomba kubyitaho.
1 minute they're working together.
Babashana no kuduteranya.
Together the next.
They're cutting down with machetes.
Ati ntabwo nimvisha ko genocide yabikoreshejwe imipanga gusa. Piga abantu bakabagana mpaka rumva bidashoboka. Yamweretse ifoto.
My parents took my brothers and me to Africa.
Icyenda nimwe ababyeyi banje banjanye mu Rwanda.
They savored that trip their entire lives.
Nirwo rugendo rwiza nabo nagize ku buzima bwanjye.
Including Rwanda.
Mu Rwanda na ahantu heza cyane.
It's the greatest experience of my entire life.
Ntago nakwibagirwa ibintu nahabonye. Mbega ni experience y'igihe irenze nagize mu buzima bwanjye ubwo nasuraga u Rwanda. Sasa kumva ko habaye genocide byaramubabaje kuko u Rwanda ni rwiza.
Still working on that, sir. But we do.
Ati none se kumbwiye ko bakoresha amaradiyo nanone bategura genocide mu Rwanda cyangwa se bakwirakwiza propaganda i Burundi iyo propaganda bari bayitangira. Yaje kumwereka hano.
Major, an NCO only go so far on this.
Uyatangiye kubwira ati perezida w'i Burundi ejo azaba yagiye muri Kenya mu nama yo kurwanya sida. Ati izo nyeshyamba nibwo duciye ko zishobora kuzahita zitangiza umugambi wo kuba zatangiza iyo genocide. Nabo bagize ba nabi. Barimo witwa Ndeke n'uwitwa Ganzi. Cyase Ganzi. Iyi genocide ishobora kuba bitarenze iminsi 2.
Take down 3 major military posts, turn the army with finish the job diatribes, and before you can say Rwanda Part 2, every Tutsi would be dead.
Ati ibintu nibitagenda neza buri mututsi wese mu minsi mike araza kuba amaze gupfa mu Burundi nyuma y'iminsi 2. Ati abatutsi bose baraza kuba bamaze gupfa i Burundi ngo ni genocide ishobora kubakorerwa. Bimeze bite? Yeah.
So what can I do for you, Major?
Well, I've been up all night working on this Burundi.
Burundi ayo moko na yarahaba.
Working on the budget?
Twebwe hano nta yakihaba. Arakira. Ubu bantu bose n'abanyarwanda no umuntu umwe.
Early warning signs that there might be another genocide in the works.
Sasa ingu yaje kubwira ingu yatashora ko ari indi genocide iri gutegurwa muri.
God forbid.
I think we need to put together a recommendation for a US response just in case.
Tugomba kwitegura nk'abanyamerika tukaba twaganira n'u Burundi cyangwa se tukagira igikorwa twakora cyihutirwa tugasubiza abatwandikiye badusaba ubufasha.
A Hutu rebel named Stephen Ndeke has set
Umutu bita Stephen Ndeke cyasendekezi
of the reposition of
yateguye ingamba ahantu binyeshyamba ze.
The imagery committee that has decided
twakoresha satellite tubasha gukurura amashusho barashaka gutegura genocide bafite n'imipanga ngo myinshi amakamyo yuzuye imipanga. Katurore barihangana nimvuga ibyo bintu by'amoko none siko bari kubivuga twiye ko ntayo tukigira hari ubwo bibafashe orata byararangiye twe.
And Jennifer?
Hey, Jennifer, hey. Yari kwihamagarira.
Listen.
Wagira ngo nta kibazo bamubwiye kibaye bari kumubwira ko abantu bashobora kwicana wari kwihamagarira. Ngaye Jennifer, hey, bitese Jenny, n'udukobwa ubwarimo mu maninja. Barakwereka yarahamagaye. Bimeze bite? Bita bizakurino satellite irakurura i Burundi, barakurura. Turi Burundi. Nkambo bari gutegura iyo genocide. Dore imipanga no hari depo y'imipanga. Bimeze bite? Umusore atangiye gukura neza i Burundi. Byifashe bite? Hey. Uyakura y'amafoto. Arabibona byose. Hey. Dore imipanga arayibona. Babimubwiraga kumva ni imikino.
What did you do with my tickets to the game?
Imatike yanjye abiri yo kujya kureba match ari he?
So what did I do with them?
Oh, Colonel.
Imatike nayaguhaye.
Retrace your steps.
I came in. Bad mood because of that ass chewing Al-Ghazi gave us. Oh, and
Al-Ghazi na waturi bubi.
Burn bag.
Al-Ghazi ni generali ibikari raporo nyinshi ariko basaba. Zerekeranye na bije.
Every document inside that bag is incinerated the minute.
Umva wibuke ko ibintu byose nimba biwacu tukabishyira muri bya bikarito ubwo bagiye kubitwika. Hari bikarito bari gutwika by'amadosiye atagikenewe. Muzemenya twiciye amadosiye.
The only third world cuisine you better have on your plate is Pakistani couscous.
Umva ikibazo tukwiye kwitona cya Pakistani ibyo kuvuga ngo Burundi tube tubiritse.
Meantime, I spoke with CENTCOM Commander Nolan. He's all geared up to send in some SEAL reinforcements. And I got the MC-130 numbers for Al-Ghazi.
Do you want a medal, soldier?
No, sir.
Nkurikije amakuru dufite byaba byiza twereje nk'abasirikare bacu bakajya kuba bafasha abasirikare Burundi gukumira genocide.
Somalia was a quagmire, sir. This is different.
All I know is
nitujya gutabara Burundi biramera nk'ibyabaye muri Somalia. Somalia abanyamerika bagiye kubatabara, abari bagiye gutabara bose barabateranira bica umunyamerika mbere bisubirira mu kwicana kwabo. Sasa muzakavuga ati byabaye Somalia ntago byabi Burundi.
Okay, show me what you got.
Okay, munyereke icyo mufite.
Get these
some suit named Aaron Garrett.
Batangiye kumwereka kunino.
I hope they're worth selling your soul to the devil, kid, because that's what you just did.
He's compound. That's the radio tower. Supply.
Iriya ni iminara ya radiyo bari buze gukoresha muri propaganda bakwirakwiza.
Here are 142
genocide. Hari amatente arimo imipanga.
Car salesman for all we know.
And what do you think is in those crates, sir?
Urabona na modoka agera hafi mu 142 yuzuye imipanga.
Last but not least, General Ndiki in the flesh.
Uriya yitwa Ndekezi cyangwa se Ndeke.
And right next to him is even more fanatical Chief Lieutenant Umbe Gonzalez.
Nanone ari kumwe na Chief Lieutenant wundi mugenzi we bari gukorana witwa Ganza.
Now these two,
Umbe Ganza,
Ndiki and Gonzalez.
Ndetse ngo abagabo bakaba basanzwe bahigwa na UN kubera ibyaha bakoreye mu Rwanda bakoze iyo genocide n'ubundi na mbere.
Both have men that are very loyal to them.
Sure, join.
Muri 94 abagabo babiri bari gukorana bari abanzi none bashyize hamwe barongera barafatanya bamaze guhunga u Rwanda. Ngo bahunze u Rwanda bajya muri Kongo bava Kongo bajya i Burundi. Nabo bashaka kongera gutegura indi genocide.
Guerrilla warfare at its finest. Surround them. Establish choke points,
but unlike Nazi Germany.
Abagabo tubazenguruke aho ngaho bari gutegura ibyo bintu byose tubarasira aho ngaho. Kibazo nagaru gupfa kurasa.
On a surveillance team here.
Hano turashira surveillance team ikipe igomba gucunga yaje kubibwira ya kipe yose yo muri iyi link.
Now this show of force will
bari bukuru bakumira iyo genocide itaraba.
Prevent bloodshed altogether.
Major, how long will this deterrent force remain in theater? A week?
Ibyo bintu byatwara igihe kingana iki nk'icyumweru.
My job is to protect the interests of the US.
Inshingano zanjye nukurinda inyungu za Amerika. Aho ngaho dufitemo iyihe nyungu rero mu kuba twajya kwita ku Barundi? Dufitemo iyihe nyungu?
Zero in Burundi.
Nyungu ni imwe irimo.
Interest in preventing failed states. Now, Africa is a prime breeding ground for the next wave of terrorists.
Afrika mushobora kumva ko mushobora kwanga kwitabara none ariko muri kubona ko ari ishobora kuzavamo ibindi byebe byinshi cyane cyane muramuka muyitereranye gutya bizaza guhemukira Amerika.
Evidence here of a genocide is flimsy at best, Major. You have General Ndiki, a parking lot of cars and a radio tower. Genocide is the deliberate and systematic execution.
I know the definition, Miss Liston. We're trying to prevent it because once it starts.
Tubusobanuro bwa genocide ndabuzi nibyo ndi kugerageza kubasobanurira hano.
Troops to fight the terrorists that exist today. Where the hell are we going to get 2,000 troops to send to Burundi? From Iraq? Afghanistan?
None se ubundi turakura abasirikare bagomba kujya gukumira ibyo bintu. Turazana bari muri Iraq, turazana bari muri Afghanistan.
I mean, it can't always be about US interests, can it?
Bashaka gutabara Afurika.
Garrity, you want to weigh in on this?
We bino wabivuga iki? Ntibashaka kubyumva.
Major, no one in Burundi is going to blow up a bus in London or fly a plane into the Pentagon. I know that sounds cold, but maybe when you've been in the building a little longer, you'll understand the need to establish priorities.
Musore baramukatiye ntawe ubyitayeho. Ati ntago uzigera ubona abo Barundi baje guturitsa bisi mu Bwongereza bambaye ibisasu ntuzabona baje guturitsa inzu zo muri Amerika bega nta byebe bibarimo. Mu bihorerero birwariza. Abagabo ntago batwitayeho.
Hey, I did you a favor by moving those satellites. Your mission didn't fly.
Genda gwa burenganzira kugira ngo umukoreshe satellite muri biri kwabera. Misiyo yawe nimba banze kikomeza ntungendeho. Umva.
A word of advice.
Sangugira inama.
If I were new in the building,
baye ndiweho muri Pentagon.
My tone when I was talking to somebody 7 pay grades above.
Nakaje ncunga amagambo mbwira abantu bandusha guhembwa. Uziko membwa hejuru yawe incuro nyinshi ukaza umbwira ubusa. Umugabo yamwihenuyeho shawo. Sori byose ari kubikora kugira ngo arebe ko genocide yahagarara. Bimeze bite? Nakwereka ya modoka ya Jean. Aba babibonye kare kwasho abantu bo babaga no mu Rwanda babonye ibyahabaye. Barashaka ngo guhunga. Mugende. Bano bagabo bazi aho bataye imipanga yabo. Bagarutse hano. Bimeze bite? Katurori bano bari gucana. Yeah. Bimeze bite? Bimeze imbere.
What's this?
Ibi ni iki?
House brew, sir. Hazelnut.
Thought you didn't get coffee.
I made an exception, sir. Don't get used to it. I appreciate you trying, Major.
Ndagushimira.
Somebody else did.
Byibura yagerageje kubumvisha nubwo byanze.
What is it, sir?
Nibiki nyakuba?
It's just, it's one thing for Al-Ghazi enlisting to cut me away, but
the colonel didn't take up.
Ibyo se biri guterwa na raporo twasabye na Al-Ghazi. Bo bahugijwe nyine no gukora raporo yiriya bije. Yabo ntago biteye nyine kubiri Burundi.
You don't take up for yourself on this, the colonel will never respect you.
Well, it's not like I can.
Umva koroneri yakubwiye guhakanira rimwe ukahita ubyemera ntago abazigira kuba hagenda umutesha umutwe. Nico umukobwa ari gushaka kumubwira. Nimbanze kukubekiza gukuri ikintu kirego cy'i Burundi. Genda umusteresi.
Close, huh?
Major.
Other
than my father, I've never met a man that I respect more than Eli McNulty. The colonel is like a blow pop.
At koroneri ni umugabo nubaha cyane. Yambereye nka papa.
He did 5 years in Vietnam that I can't even get him to talk about, and we're like family. But hey, I understand why some people are a little afraid of him.
Listen, Cully, I'm due to sign up. I'll call you back in 5, Cully.
Ndaguhamagara mu kanya. Rebe.
Sir?
Yashan.
That op didn't stand a chance, didn't you?
Birasa nkaho nta mahirwe muri kuma ngo nkore imisiyo.
Al-Ghazi's budget priorities, I suppose that I...
Al-Ghazi ibyo yagusabye nibyo ugomba gushyira imbere y'ibindi ibyo ari byose.
Just that, but apparently you needed to learn the hard way. Now, I don't know what you thought you were signing up for here, son.
Wa musore wagira ngo ntagusa akazi wasabye hano cyangwa akazi wasinyiye hano.
Able, sir. A chance to make a difference on the little things like a genocide in Africa.
Jewe akazi nasinyiye hano nukureba ko nakumira ibyaha ku isi cyane cyane no ikiri hejuru gukumira icyaha genocide. Cyase guhagarika ubugizi bwa nabi. Tugahindura isi.
Good luck finding those tickets.
Don't even think about going out that door, soldier. This building is not an office, it's a battlefield.
Wa musore bino birubona ntago bimeze nk'ari ibiro bisanzwe ahubwo ni mu rugamba ni kuri battlefield ni hahandi nyine urugamba rubera ntago ari ukuvuga ngo ni ibiro bisanzwe naho muri durebye ni nk'urugamba
wave a tiny white hanky and surrender.
Nabyo kuvuga ngo turi kugenda ngo twirukanga ngo kuri ibyo bintu ngo byamoko ari kurwana amanitse amadarapo ibyo ntago tubishaka tu aho bavuga ngo n'ubwoko ngo bumanitse amadarapo ngo biraho byoroshye abagabo bari kumarana.
What machete, son?
Ila mipanga Mombasa ni iyi barwaza imipanga avuga ati mipanga ni iyi umugabo yarakubiswe.
Take this fool to Papa.
Umugabo baramupakira. Hari karito y'imipanga yabuze kandi yari yabariwe yateguriwe. Akunino. Tugare kuri CIA ku cyicaro.
What the hell are you doing here?
I need a Burundi situation.
Ndashaka nka CIA mumfasha tukamenya situation iri Burundi meziti.
Look, for the last hour I've been trying to get clear. Some desk jockey keeps telling me to come back.
Amasama cyashize nagerageje kumvisha abantu bose bakambwira ngo ni ntuze. Kagahora ariko.
Now I need your help, Angie.
Ni bufasha bwawe Angie.
I'd like to, JT. This is the CIA. You get your hands on unauthorized intel and the spooks.
Umva iyi ni CIA ntago umuntu aba yemerewe kuba yabona amakuru atemerewe kugira ngo umwe afite amakuru agomba kubonaho kopi. Hari byo mwandikiye hano.
Any questions? This is the number for the CIA liaison.
Amakuru ayakura kuri ibyo nkwandikiyeho nibwo buryo wabonamo amakuru. Sawa. Uyacaho. Kombe mwandikiye yitwa Johnson Park. Nushobora kuba yamuha ku makuru ibiri kubera i Burundi.
Captain Shay.
Uyu nawe yaje Akunino. Yaje gutanga gitarebe ko babaha ku makuru bakamenya ibiri kubera i Burundi bimeze bite.
For not apologizing.
Mbabarire Kayini nk'akantu nkuzane kuba ntaragusabye imbere imbabazi ku byabaye imbere.
Tickets to the game.
Well, actually, I'm not here about the tickets.
You want me to put a bet down?
I've already got you down for a C note. You want to make it 200? I'm here about a mission, Jack.
Yeah, muze yaje ambwira ko aricaye kubaganire ku bya misiyo igomba kubera i Burundi yari hano. Ihangane.
It's my favorite. Thanks.
Aga kantu hanze ndagakunda. Kumbe harimo amakuru amuzaniye.
We've been monitoring Radio Burundi broadcasts for the last 3 hours. You're right.
Iyo ni kasete nguhaye y'ababagabo mwambwe bari gutegura genocide. Ibiganiro bari kunyuza ku maradiyo biteye ubwoba. Ibiganiro propaganda yatangiye guca ku maradiyo yikwirakwizwa no gutegura genocide mu Burundi. Katururi. Uyo mwaye ibiganiro.
He's here.
Great, send him.
Uyari hano ya Jean.
Major, did you check your messages? I finished your Pakistan proposal.
You know, I've been
proposal twagusabye muri Pakistan wayirangije.
You to stand in front of Al Ghazi and talk about the legal definition of genocide when thousands.
Umva ibi akazi kari gazinaga kure ariko tukanakimura n'ikibazo cya genocide kigiye kubera i Burundi.
My professional one.
Look, can I get your professional opinion on this?
Nimba ucumva ko nari umunyamwuga banza wumva innocent.
The farmers will cut down the rest of the blighted crops. And you will know the time has come.
Bumvisha amakuru y'ibiguca kuri radio.
The moon is full and the harvest is ready.
Now this just started a few hours ago. It's cold.
Ibi ni byanyuze amasaha cyashize.
Killing is going.
Umugabo ari kuvuga ngo tugomba gufata imipanga yacu ngo tugatema ngo ibyo biti na magambo menshi. Igihe cy'umusaruro cyo gusarura nikigera ngo ndi ubabwire. Ukira niteguye tujye gutema ibyo biti. Ibaza ariko. Ngo nibiri guca ku maradiyo y'u Burundi.
What am I looking at from a legal standpoint?
What's your probable cause?
We know that a man wanted for international war crimes is there.
It's a band-aid solution, Major.
Better than an open wound.
And Ndiki, what if you miss him?
Not a problem.
None sondeke nitumubura.
Demise.
Bari kwiga ku kintu bakora kitabangamira amategeko mpuzamahanga. Bambuza nyana. Kuramenye. Uyu ni watanze uhamagaye no muri Amerika wamenyesha ikibazo kiri kuba. Yamagaye ambasade y'u Burundi.
I gotta hand it to you, kid. It's a great plan.
Think we can sell it to Al Ghazi?
Bano ba Jean. Arigazi wabaye mukerereje hose ni generali. Afite amaraporo menshi ari kubasaba. Biri gutuma batabasha kwisanzura ngo bakore gahunda zabo.
He's got an op he'd like to run by you.
It just so happens I've recently come in possession of a box of Cubans. Why don't we go outside and discuss it over a smoke?
Kuki tutajya hanze kino kibazo tukakiganira tunywa n'itabi baje hano.
250,000 machetes.
Imipanga isaga 250 iri aho hantu.
You have.
Ugomba gukora akazi.
Sad photos like these, we should have no trouble pinpointing the target.
What about eyes and ears inside? How are these machetes stored? They stack, they spread out, loose, in boxes?
And without boots on the ground, how do you deliver the thermite?
Colonel, it's all about air power.
Iyo mipanga ikintu nshaka ndashaka tubanza tukarasiyo stock iyo mipanga itarakwirakwizwa hirya no hino mu gihugu muhungu nicyo ashaka. Ndetse nabo bagizi bana bitukabica. Batarajya kure ngo bajye gukomeza gukwirakwiza ibyo bintu.
Yeah. Okay, so you get rid of all these machetes. Your general can just get more where those came from.
Shouldn't be a problem, sir.
Pretty damn sure yourself for less than a month in the building.
Major's got a great plan, Frank. How about you let him finish before you make up your mind?
Son, when you make the Air Force think that...
Bano bagarutse hakunino. Icyemezo ntabwo kiri kwita gifatwa.
Just...
Hakunino. Uya Jean. Major.
Whatever it is, I'm afraid I don't have time for it right now.
You're waiting for the chairman of the House Intelligence Committee. Something tells me he's not going to make it.
Amakuru mfite n'ubushakashatsi twakoze ntabwo urubuze kurokoka kuri iyi nshuro. Ino ndo komeje guhakana ngo nibaze kujya gutabara Burundi.
What's on your mind?
My reading. You know how the building works, how it's about. I thought this was very interesting.
Do you know who you're screwing with, Major?
Ariko uzuri gukinisha Major.
Hope you're going to help me bury this Burundi boondoggle. Waste of resources.
kuki ariko utifuza ko abantu i Burundi
Those people are going to go on killing each other.
wanditse agapapuro uvuga ngo nta mpamvu yo kujya gutabara i Burundi ngo n'ubundi ngo nukubatabara rimwe ngabo bayirabura ngo abirabura n'ubundi bahora bicana basubiranamo ngo murabatabara se ko n'ubundi nejo bakongera bakasubiranamo bakicana. Umvisha ukuntu babatekereza bino bintu byibura bibafashe guhindura imyumvire. Abanyamerika baricaraga bati abo birabura n'ubundi murabatabara ngo bashaka kwicana uyu munsi muri batabara uyu munsi ejo bazongera bicane nejo bongere bicane. Nyamara mushatse mwakumviraho mbega babona nta bwenge dufite mwaretse tukabereka ko buhari.
She's not stupid. Then how'd you get it?
Kandi wabona bino bintu hari abantu bakibifite mu mutwe koko we.
Cyamafuti. What the hell provoked you to put something like this down on paper?
Ni gute wanga Burundi cyane bigira naho byandika ku gipapuro ngo bakongera bakicana ntaga mpamvu yo kwirirwa tubatabara.
Information Act and no one is going to fire me for expressing an opinion.
Uri meze nk'uri kuntera ubwoba ariko. Oya.
It's that congressional run I'd be concerned about.
Aka gapapuro kagomba kuza kugezwa ku nzego zo hejuru bakamenya ko wanze ko dutabara abarundi. Genocide kabigiye kuba ari we wabiteye wandi kutuntu nk'utu. Hey.
Threatening.
Uri kunkanga.
Well, it's all just fun and games, Aaron, until somebody loses an eyeball. Try to remember that.
How long do you think you're going to last when Sam finds out?
Yesu urakiye kuzamara igihe kingana iki muri kano kazi ukomeza gutera abantu ubwoba. Bakurenze ku mapeti.
Sign off on this Burundi op and risk your political career. But that's just me.
Sinya hano tujye guhagarika iriya genocide Burundi bitise ndakurega. Hari imiryango myinshi bibishinzwe. Ivuga ati hari umuntu wanze gutabara ubwo aravuga ati abarundi mubareke bamaranuye yarasinye ngaho mujye guhagarika iyo genocide Burundi. Bamuha kaga papuro yari yanditse mwabaginga. Baze kuko nimba umuzungu yicara akavuga ati birabura murabatabarira iki ko n'ubundi ejo bakongera bakicana bagasubiranamo. Nawe uri kureba iyi filime ukaba ufite iyo myumvire mibi uvuga ati bundi ni iki. Urumva ukuntu baba bakubona nk'injiji aho kugira uhangane n'ikibazo cy'inzara.
Back to the root of people.
Uyu nguyu aracyari kuri radio. Bano barabanza bahindura frequency. Barashaka guhindura imirongo yose ya radio. Y'u Burundi bari bari gutangira amazimwe bashaka guteranya abarundi ngo bicane. Barabanza bohereza indege mu kirere. Ya yindi kontura amasinyari yose. Iminara yose y'u Burundi y'amaradiyo bayohereza hakurino. None bano batangaza ibyo bashaka.
Along with the machetes comes so much profit.
Imipanga yanyu yose mufite iraza kubazanira inyungu nyinshi ni mu ibyazo umusaruro.
Finishing the job.
Bell, this is Watson. The signal is co-opted.
Roger that.
Sinyari yabo turayikubye over.
Now,
Nabizi tukiri.
For the general's demise.
Syncing live feed in 3,
Mwando
1.
Bimwe.
Fellow citizens of Burundi.
Abaturage b'i Burundi muraho sasa za radio bakoreshaga bakoreraho propaganda yo kubwira abaturage ati tugiye kuba mara ibiki n'ibiki bintu nyine by'amaradiyo murabizi namwe ibyabaye mwajyaga mubyumva. Bano bahise bahindura umurongo w'amaradiyo yose y'u Burundi bahita bawushyira hehe kuri radio iri kuvugira muri Amerika. Umunyamerika atangira kubasomera ku buryo abaturage bari Burundi bari bumvira nta makuru aturutse muri Amerika. Abaturage b'i Burundi muraho.
We interrupt this broadcast for an important announcement. It is with tremendous pride
that your government commends General Stephen Ndeke for his great patriotism.
Twagira ngo tubamenyeshe ko umujenerali bita Ondeke ari kugerageza kuba yatangiza genocide ariko nanone uwabitubwiye ni mugenzi we
To save our nation from a horrible
ko bari gupaka kujyana imipanga ngo bica abantu.
over to the government
a list of names.
Gusa hari undi wamugambaniye umaze kubibwira leta bakoranaga witwa Ganza dore ngo barasubiranamo. Ni abajenerali babiri bari gukorana ngo bategure genocide ari witwa Ganza na Ndeke. Sasa baravuze abanyamerika dore ngo barabateranya. Abanyamerika babiteguye ati generali Ndeke ari gutegura genocide ariko mugenzi we bakorana witwa Ganza we yamaze kugira gute guca inyuma ari gukorana na leta ndetse leta iri kugerageza kuba yakumira abo bantu bashaka gukora genocide dore ngo barabateranya hagati yabo.
Are led by the general's chief lieutenant Umbe Ganzai.
Lieutenant Umbe Ganza niyo doye makuru. Sasa wa mujinga we wagambaniye ngo genocide abasirikare bayikumire abanyamerika bateranije bari bagiye gukora genocide hagati yabo basubiranemo. Munyamerika biteguye do zari mande ebyiri n'abajenerali babiri ubwo n'abasirikare bari babiri batandukanye. Dore intambara iratangira basubiranamo barabateranije hagati yabo. Munyamerika niko yabiteguye basubiranye wa mujinga we tugambanire tugiye kwikorera genocide uduteze leta barabaganye. Bahita bohereza n'indege igomba kurasa hari abo bacengeze nimba ariko twabita bashaka gukora iyo genocide n'abagizi ba nabi bohereza hano igisasu ahantu hose hari imipanga na biriya byiye bagizi bane bari bohereje igisasu misiri kuri yakamyo yuzuye imipanga na ya stoke y'imipanga yose baratwikana n'abarara bariyo bose barabaturikije ntasure base genocide turayikumiriye ubu rero baragira ngo tubashimire bano baginga b'abazungu bahagarikira genocide mu mafilime ariko iri kuba ku butaka ahantu byanyabyo mu buzima busanzwe ntitujya tubabona ariko dore muri filime babigize intwari ngo bahagarika ama genocide abaginga baratwika ibyo byarabaye bano bavayo Imana yasigaye iminota mike ngo match itangire turagira muri stade.
I hate crowds. I don't even like people.
Urabizi kanje kwirebera match muzagiye kuri gisi mani mwicare twirebere match sha Amavubi yakinnye sha zana urwunge sha tunywe turebe match tunywe urwunge bamwe barebye filime banywe urwunge utari kunywa urwunge ari kwinywera mburwaye muze hasukayo kamburwa buriya sha ni umuti urwa buriya ni fresh cyane akazi bari bagakoze ndetse genocide bayihagaritse uyu nawe wari watanze amakuru yabashe kuba yatabara niwe watangiye amakuru ku gihe bituma genocide bayikumira rigiye kuyi Burundi uzarabwanuka hive abwanuka muzimbega umusa uyu nawe arabwanuka asinge njyana abantu bari gufana match episode yacu no kigenze ndetse Imana ibaha umugisha ibarinde n'ibyo bintu by'amacakubiri ciao sibyo
nta birahuri byiza bikomeye nta nzu mbona noneho reka nkumenera ibanga Crevo General Trading Limited ijari igisubizo ku bashaka amarangi meza ya original n'ibirahuri byiza kandi bikomeye abashoramari mu by'ubwubatsi ibigo bitandukanye bacuruzi baza kenkayori abiyubakira amazu yabo bashaka kaba meza kandi akomeye ni mugane Crevo General Trading Limited. Turanguza tukanacuruza ibirahuri by'amoko yose, turanguza tukanacuruza amarangi yose ndetse tukanakuvangira ibara ryose wifuza dukoresheje imashini zabugenewe n'abatekinisiye kabuhariwe. Akarusho nuko uhaye iwacu muri Crevo General Trading Limited tumusangisha ibikoresho yaguze aho ariho hose ku buntu. Dukorera Kicukiro Centre imbere ya Glory. Duhamagare kuri 0788 600 946. Crevo General Trading Limited, twubaka igihugu gikeye kandi gikomeye.